Are in a very important temple, Wat Phra Ram, Thailand, Ayutthaya, and you will find out beautiful elephants. You'll enter Wat Phra Ram. Feel as if we are entering into a beautiful past. The information is written here. What is Wat Phra Ram? Thankfully in English. This is information. And these are Wat Phra Ram mural paintings also. For Buddhist interior walls of pathways and it's beautiful. Information. People are beautiful vicinity. People are speaking. Mr.
Okay, thank you.
Namaste. This is Wat Phra Ram. Seems to be very important temple, and in the vicinity you will find out beautiful lotus things. We'll enter. Now this is Buddha image, stupa or chedi, pedestal, wall and prang. These are common things that you find here. This is the entry point. So great. Wat Phra Ram. As if we have entered into a new pathway to reach Buddha. Sermon hall, that is called as Vihara. Vihara is pagoda. Information is given. This is sermon hall. Thankfully, something is written in English. And this is the vicinity. You will find out people so beautiful. Let us. Wow. Foreigners are flocking together to see this historical monument. You will find out Lord Buddha. Seems to be बोरीचं झाड दिसतंय. Sermon hall, and this is temple Wat Phra Ram. बोराची झाड, वंडरफुल बोर. व्हेजिटेरियन काही खायला मिळालं नाही. बोरांवरच आज भागवावं लागतं. रामाची बोरं, वा, थायलंडमधील रामाची बोरं. जय श्रीराम.